Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about Bluetooth keeps disconnecting problem, how to fix in your Samsung smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So firstly let's open the Bluetooth. You have to just long press the Bluetooth and click on details. So here it will show the available devices and you can connect your speaker, earbuds, AirPods, anything you want to connect. Then you can click on this advanced settings and here it is, block pairing request. So sometimes if you have blocked any of your device like earbuds are blocked, you first have to unblock it. Then if your Bluetooth keeps disconnecting or there is any automatic disconnecting problem, so you can fix it by going to the settings, click on search and here you have to type reset Bluetooth. Click on this reset and here it will show the reset Bluetooth settings. Tap on here and Bluetooth settings has been reset successfully now. And then you have to restart your smartphone. Just long press the power button and click on restart. So it will fix your Bluetooth problem. Your Bluetooth settings has been reset now. I hope you like this video. If you like this video then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.